Why does eyesight keep getting worse? You don't need a doctor to tell your eyesight is getting worse. You just need to try reading a sign from a far distance. If you recently caught yourself holding your phone 2 inches from your face, like it's magnifying glass, welcome to the club, you are not alone. If your screen time is over 12 hours a day, congratulations, you achieve an advanced eye strain level. You are not just looking at your phone, you are living in it. Like if your phone could talk, it'd probably say, "You are here again? I thought we agreed on a break." It's not just you, eyesight is getting worse globally. You are not alone. With excessive screen time lifestyle and absolute neglect of good vision habits, regular breaks and eye exercises, according to the World Health Organization, by 2050, nearly half of the world's population could be affected by myopia. Half. That means the future is going to be full of squinting people, bumping into things. Close-up vision, the ultimate workout for your eyeballs. Imagine this. You spend the last 3 hours staring at your phone, scrolling through memes, emails, and probably a few conspiracy theories for good measure. Then you look up, suddenly the world is blurry, mysterious place. We are basically training our eyes by staring at a screen all day, but very rarely when it comes to focusing on anything beyond arm's length. Study after study shows that our close-up habits are literally ruining our vision. One study out of Singapore found that kids who spend more time on devices have a higher chance of developing myopia. So when you are squinting at your phone at midnight, just know that your eye muscles and retina are probably feeling complaint. Accommodative spasms. When your eyes refuse to focus further than your phone. Accommodative spasms happen when your eye muscles, yes, your eyes have muscles, get fatigued from trying to focus too hard, close up. If you've been staring at your screen for hours, guilty I know, those muscles are like, enough, stop! But of course, nobody cares. Screen is more interesting. And the result, your vision gets blurry, and you're left trying to blink it off, but your eyes are not switching focus far. There is a solution, regular eye relaxation. A study published by Ophthalmology Times shows that simple eye exercises and conscious regular breaks from screens can significantly reduce symptoms of accommodative spasms. And I personally managed to eliminate it with specific eye exercises. It's very pleasurable feeling for eyes. Eyes feel free now. It is like when you slack tight bell from the eyeballs. Eyes can move very easily in any direction and focus far. Free eye training course on my channel. Just like how stretching your legs before a run keeps you from pulling a muscle, relaxing your eyes keeps them from spasms. Brain fog, a side effect of too much screen time. Ever notice that after staring at the screens for hours, your brain feels like it's been trapped in a fog machine? You're thinking, I cannot even remember what I ate for breakfast, but you can remember the latest post from Instagram. It's no wonder screen time is messing with our brains too. Our brains are working overtime just to process all that information, while our eyes are stuck in never-ending staring contest. The result? A perfect mix of eye strain and brain fog that keeps you awake and prevents you from getting proper sleep. Studies from Harvard and the American Academy of Ophthalmology shows that excessive screen time causes fatigue and blurred vision, reducing stress for better eyesight. When I get stressed, my eyes feel strained immediately. Our eyes are the most sensitive part of our body. They get strained in any uncomfortable situation. When stress kicks in, cortisol tightens blood vessels and put a strain on your eyes. One study found that people under stress tend to blink less, which dries out the eyes and causes strain. So if you are watching videos while worrying about your overdue bills, don't be surprised if you feel like you are staring in a foggy window. If you cannot get rid of stress, Hello modern life. At least let's blink more. It's like a free massage for your eyes. Mirror neurons, aka blaming genetics. Mirror neurons inside your brain. They're the one that let you mirror other people's action without even knowing it. They're responsible for everything from yawning. When someone else yawns, you're guilty. Admit it. To catching yourself mimicking your friends and knowing love. And guess what? They also control how you copy bad vision habits. So when you see your dad holding the newspapers at arm's length because he didn't do any exercises, your brain thinks, oh, that's how to read. It's not a genetic flaw, it's a learned behavior. A study published in the Journal of Neuroscience confirms that mirror neurons help us learn behaviors by mimicking the action of this around us. So if you spend your whole life watching your family squint at their phones, guess what? You just learn to look at the wrong way, subconsciously. Scientific case studies show that myopia and nearsightedness can run in families, like a hereditary hobby. Stop blaming genetics and start blaming bad habits. If you're wondering what does my eyesight keep getting worse, maybe it's time to stop blaming your genetics and start looking at your habits. Sure, genetics can play a part, but how we live is what really matters. It's like blaming your phone for running out of battery when you are watching TikToks for 7 hours. Habits are powerful in shaping your behavior, so if you grow up surrounded by people who avoid eye care or don't pay attention to their vision habits, you subconsciously pick up those behaviors. You're basically downloading the bad eyesight software. In fact, a study from University College London found that lifestyle habits like excessive screen time, poor posture, and a lack of eye care are major contributors to vision decline. How fast eyesight keeps getting worse? A slow decline with fast results. A Harvard study even confirms that excessive close-up work, reading, scrolling, doom scrolling speed ups the vision decline. We are out here training our eyes to become myopic. Literally, lazy eyes from a lifestyle of screens and sedentary living. The brain adjusts our eyesight to the lifestyle we are living. If you're not looking far, our eye muscles are not trained to look far, to focus far, but our eyes are overtrained to look up close. Eye exercises that can help and giving your eyes a break. If you're not moving your eyes, you're just sitting there like two tired workers waiting for lunch break. One study from the Journal of Clinical Ophthalmology suggests that eye movement exercises like focusing on far off objects every minute away from screen can help improve circulation and ease eye strain. Think of it like stretching, but for your eyes. You're giving your poor eyeballs, overstrained eye muscles, chance to recover. Eye movement exercises can actually help. You came here wondering, why does my eyesight keep getting worse? Well, the answer is because we live in the world designed to blur our eyesight with screens. The real takeaway: take care of your eyes like you would take care of your phone.